As part of efforts to address the issue of garbage collection across the island, the National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA, has initiated a partnership with communities. Several illegal dump sites have been created by residents as a means of disposing their garbage. Recently, a team from the NSWMA, along with Member of Parliament for Trelawny Northern, Tova Hamilton, toured the Cooper's Bend community in the parish.
Initiative started about in October when we had a tour with Minister Mackenzie. When we came here, there was an illegal dump site, and I requested the intervention of the minister for something to be done. I am happy that he responded positively.
So the enforcement team, they are on the ground and they are moving through the community to ensure that the residents they adhere to our proper disposal protocol. Now, what we are trying to do is to have the residents use black drums in the community that we're giving out.
Now, he says as part of the initiative, the agents will be going to other communities to provide drums and educate community members on proper garbage disposal. In the meantime, Ms. Hamilton is making this appeal.
They can video, if possible, who these persons are, and hopefully the NSWMA can do some enforcement. But I'm also appealing to the National Solid Waste Management Authority to try to do some regular collection, because that will also help to minimize the illegal dump sites.